Welcome to the Weight Loss Series episode 3, which is also in fact the final episode. In this video, you are going to see Srinidhi's final transformation, how much weight she has managed to lose in the last 2 months, exactly what she feels like, and I also got her to answer some of the questions that you guys have wanted to ask me for a really long time. So let's get into it. For the last 2 months, Srinidhi has given her blood, sweat, sleep, tears, and maybe 2 plates of pani puri to the weight loss series. So it's only fair that I ask her a bunch of questions about how she's feeling. I'm so used to seeing you at home,
in gym clothes.
I can't digest this. But I didn't know that you were dressing up. Nobody told me. This is what everybody's gonna get. I've not seen you in a month almost. What have you been up to?
The first week, I'm telling you, I was like, the amount of workout, the dieting, and I was like, I just need some break. I was chilling. I was like I was a sloth.
But I'm so excited that you joined the gym. Like, that is great.
Before I used to go to the gym, I was like, I think it was peer pressure before. Just look it around and then, imitate people. I didn't know what I was doing. But now after having been trained under you, I knew what muscle I was working and, like I should be stretching, I should be, warming up before and understanding basically the details of it and how it's going to affect me. And,
Correct.
especially the inch loss.
Don't worry, I have not spoken about the inches bit yet, so keep watching for that.
It was tremendous for me, and I've been getting so many compliments.
Now that you go to the gym, do you train with somebody or are you doing things on your own?
No, mostly I'm doing things on my own, but then there is a floor trainer, so
Correct.
he seems very helpful.
When I started, I had a personal trainer when I just started going to the gym, and I think it's very
Yeah.
important because it helps you build a good foundation. And once you have a good foundation, then you can manage on your own. I've not gotten a trainer in a very long time.
Now I understand why you say that you enjoy, like lifting weights. Because I enjoy it now,
If you guys remember, Srinidhi started her weight loss journey at 92 kgs on the 1st of December. Now we've finally reached the end. She has finally managed to get to. Now, what is your final 2 month? What was your weight?
It was 83.1.
So which means that we were almost on track. And I'm telling you, more than anything, I feel bad that we didn't get to 80. You and I both know that we have not worked out even half of what we did in the first month. If we had stuck to it, I know we would have reached 80.
I think I hit like this worst stage. I mean, in the lockdown, there was so much junk food. I think like I know that this is the heaviest I've ever been when I started with you. I want to reduce so much, and I want to stick to it.
We get so excited looking at the number. The number has really nothing to do with anything. You can be 80 kgs and the fittest person in the room. You can be 40 kgs and the most unhealthiest person in the room. I want you to look into the mirror and like what you see. I want you to be excited to go work out. And I'm not saying that, you're not going to get bored or you're not going to increase. There will be days and phases in your life, and I think that is what makes it interesting.
When I was younger, I thought that you have to work out like 5 to 6 days a week. You have to properly eat, and then only you're going to lose weight. But this one big revelation that happened is you eat मतलब थोड़ा normal, like not outside food, घर का खाना, whatever you want, and work out 3 days also in a week, 3 to 4 days. You will see results.
You eat whatever you want, but if you do it in moderation, if you know what you're eating, and if you know that this is a part of life and I'm going to go back to my normal life, which is also me working out and taking care of myself, then it's fine. I'm allowed, and I should give myself this one piece of happiness that it's going to give me, and that's fine.
My friends, they normally used to seeing me, like I eat a lot, right? Now on the trip also, like I'm eating, I'm like, oh, I'm so full, I'm too full, and I've eaten like, maybe lesser than they also have eaten. And like Sri तो इतना कम खा रही है, like वो मैं normal लोगों जैसा खाने लगी अभी. They know you so well, ये कनिका का कमाल है. People who used to say that, अरे no, I feel full, and I'm like,
what does that feel like?
What does that feel like?
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. tell me what this experience of 2 months have felt like for you.
It's been an eye-opener for me.
Tell me, what impact has it had on your regular life?
My life is completely changed. I don't want to sound dramatic, but it has. Like, I understand the meaning of, having in proportion to, like how much I'm spending, how much calories I'm burning, and understanding that, oh, if you take care of your body will actually, function well. Like,
Correct.
I'm touching my muscles beach. I'm like, oh,
Now all the push-ups have gone somewhere. Okay, tell me, what is the biggest lesson you've learned in the last 2 months?
that I need to be taking care of my body so that it will last me longer. Like I'm only 27 right now, and if I am this unhealthy, like what will I be at 50?
What, according to you, was the most difficult part of the weight loss series?
Jan start, I think. I don't remember that there was this plateau that I hit. I was like, I'm not able to concentrate. I'm not able to have food also properly. I didn't feel like exercising. I think it was more like a hormonal phase that I was going through. I was feeling also like very restless. I don't want to do anything. I don't know.
I think in these 2 months, you and I have experienced almost every problem that there could be. We have experienced everything, and one after the other. It has been a challenge for you just as much as it has been a challenge for me. Even for somebody that works out a lot, I have those phases. I would want people watching this to also know that it's very easy to feel, even after having all the resources, even after, you think, oh, when I have a trainer, I will not feel this way. But you feel that way.
Exactly.
It's not going to change anything. You having a trainer, you having a gym membership is not going to change much. That is not
what I didn't know that was going to happen. Like when we started, I was like, oh wow, this is a great thing. You are going to put, you'll be pushing me, and you're doing this so open heart. You have such an open heart to do this.
Now it may seem like I have paid her to say all of these things, but I have not. So trust her.
So much time and energy that you're putting into it, and you understanding enough to say that it's okay. Like some days I don't feel
because
like
I've been through it now, especially as women. You may think that your period, that the effect is just about that 7 days, but it's not. You will not even realize, but it's having an effect on you, and those moods and those hormones. It's an amalgamation of all of those things. That is very normal to have an experience. From the first month of training to the second month, there were not many changes when it came to food or training. The only difference would be we went a lot harder in training. We did a lot more compound exercises. We did a lot more difficult exercises. The duration stayed the same. The food stayed the same. So there was, the only difference that we were making is we were progressive overloading, which I have spoken about before, which means going harder, especially with your workouts every single time you train. How has your relationship with, we kind of covered this, especially one of the every day that you had like a meal outside, or you ate you had pani puri at home and you felt bad about it, or you went out for dinner, you felt bad about that.
Actually, I had pani puri.
One day, one plate of pani puri is not going to ruin anything.
2-3 plates of pani puri.
2-3 plates? How has that changed now? Like, do you still go out and feel bad about eating?
No, I think I've started handling it well in terms of, like the calories. Like, I'm not going to waste my calories on things which are not going to give me that much of a satisfied feeling. Ask myself, is this a decision you want to do? Like, is this something, can you afford this? No, don't eat it.
In a way, it's a good thing to ask yourself, like, am I just eating it because I can see it right now and it looks tempting, or am I eating it because I really want to eat it? Okay, now tell me, some of our main areas of problem was our stomach fat. We also had arm fat as a problem. We had thigh fat. Now, after spending 2 months with me, do you feel a difference in these areas?
Huge difference. Like arms, definitely. Like I wasn't fitting into my clothes. Now I'm buying new clothes.
See, I told you that I would probably make you shop by the end.
I was in that phase where I didn't want to buy any clothes because I don't know, that hatred that, oh, any which ways, any of my clothes are not fitting. Now everything fits, but I still want to buy more. And I love that feeling. I mean, the amount of body shaming that I've faced, like, it's unreal. I don't know, it's not a good space.
It's not worth it. When you don't like what you see in the mirror, nothing else will help you. Like, nothing that feels nearly as bad. Another important thing that I feel like I messed up was I went back to Srinidhi's Instagram a couple of weeks ago, and I found a post that she had posted in 2019 where she spoke about how she's finding it so difficult to lose weight, and she was actually 71. It was a comparison photo. The first one was when she was about 70 kgs and the second one was when she had reached 80 something kgs. And I feel like that would be a good understanding of where she's coming from. I feel like she struggled with weight loss for a really long time. PCOS and PCOD was really getting the best of her, and she was finding it very difficult to lose any kind of weight. I'm so absolutely glad that I decided to do this with her, because now we can do an actual transformation comparison post.
Actually, I had some questions. Are you taking any like multivitamins that I should be?
You'll realize that even when we started working out, there was nothing that I suggested. I did not tell you to take any kind of additives. I did not say that you needed to take supplements or anything. Like, there's nothing that if your food doesn't give you, then you may need to consider it. Just eat well and continue doing whatever you're doing in small amounts, and you will 100% get to whatever your goal is.
You have so much faith in me, and I want to prove you right in that case. My family sees the difference, and they've been behind me nagging so much, and now they see this, and I can't tell you, like, you are a blessing to me.
Thank you so much. That means a lot. If you are trying to lose weight yourself, then I hope that this video and this entire series was in some way useful to all of you. This is the actual example of you do not need fancy equipments or a gym membership or anything at all in order to gain or lose weight. I got Srinidhi to do it exactly through a Zoom call every morning for 1 hour, and if I can do that, you most definitely can do it by yourself at home. Srinidhi has been an absolute beast to train, one of the most hardworking when it came to it. I know that she did struggle a lot in the second month, but again, that is a very real representation of what you could probably go through if you started training yourself. Mood swings, and especially working out challenges not just your physical being but 100% your mental strength as well. I really hope that you guys found this video informative. You learned something new that you probably did not know, or I busted a few myths that are going around about weight loss. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me if you learned anything from it or if you are trying to lose weight yourselves. And I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. I forgot to say that. That was the most important bit. Subscribe, okay? Bye.